What's up, guys? I'm back.
Hit it, Fergie.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather round, always looking at me up and down, looking at my. I just wanna say it now, I ain't trying to round up drama, little mama, I don't wanna take it back. And I know I'm coming off just a little bit conceited, and I keep on repeating how the boys wanna eat it, but I'm trying to tell that I can't be treated like clientele, cause they say she delicious, but I ain't promiscuous. And if you were suspicious, all that shit is fictitious. I blow kisses that puts them boys on rock, and they be lining down the block just to watch what I got. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. I'm fergalicious. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. It's so delicious.
It's another makeup tutorial. I felt like the last one wasn't like the best, so I have a new lighting system. I'm gonna see if it works because the last video was kind of orange and I'm not really looking for that. I'm gonna get straight onto the video. I ramble on a lot in my intro, besides me being all funky. That's gonna be my new intro. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that little dance session. So we're gonna get on with the video and we're just gonna go ahead and just start beating our face with a beauty blender and makeup products. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Rosa Calm Cliniderm moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and just really moisturize my face. Alright, perfect. Alright, looks like we're prepped and ready to go. We're gonna try out a couple of different things. I have this BB cream that my mom got me. I don't really know where she got it, but I use it to make my foundations lighter because I have a lot of dark foundations. It looks like this, guys. It's just, I don't even know where she got it. And then there's this Vichy Laboratories stick foundation. I don't know what this is. I got it from my work. And honestly, like, I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna try it out. This is my first time using it, so we're just gonna kind of put it on. Alright, so I've zoomed in for you guys. I look kind of wacky. Let's just start blending this stuff in. I must say, wow. See, I've never ever used a stick foundation before. Holy moly, guys. Holy moly. And this has been in my basket full of foundations forever and I've never used it. I'm shook. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix my Age Rewind concealer with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And I got this in an Ipsy bag and I actually have the original Lock-It Concealer in N1 Neutral. But this one's just a bit darker because I think this one's too light because I do have a self-tanner on now. So we're gonna go ahead and just apply it under our eyes. I'm gonna put the lighter version at the top where my eyes are and then highlight on the bottom, which I'm showing you right now. Alright, now we're just blending through, my dudes. Blending through. Next is my Fit Me powder in Fair 05, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and really pack this on because I want this to stay all day. I mean, it's kind of humid and the light's really, like, you know, warm on my skin. Now all I'm doing is I'm just powdering the rest of my face because with the stick foundation that I used, it's kind of like oily. But I have dry skin, so I think it might work. And now I'm gonna bake. Oh yeah. Got it all over my shirt. So while that bakes, I guess we'll do eyebrows. I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Black with my NYX Professionals angled brush, which is right there. She's a sharp one. Okay, so now that I've finished showing you how to do this eyebrow, now I'm gonna try my best to do it to the other eyebrow. This is the hardest part, but we're gonna try it out. Looks like I'm just gonna have uneven eyebrows for the video. Whatever, we're just gonna leave it at this before I get frustrated.
This is why it's my least favorite part of my makeup routine, because I can't deal.
Okay, now we're gonna, this is really potent stuff. It really adds the pink, you know what I mean? So I don't really wanna do like a look like,
I have blush on.
I just wanna show a little, I have blush on. So this is by Wet n Wild Color Icon in the color Blusher. And we're just gonna kinda tap off a lot of the excess and then go in with a little bit of blush. We don't need a lot. Next is our contour. So I have this e.l.f. small stippling brush, and then I'm gonna go in with a bronzer and a contour. Pure Minerals, I think that's what it's called, whatever. I'm gonna use that for my contour, and then the NYC Sunny 720 bronzer for my bronzer.
I've been keeping to myself. I had my eyes upon the prize and watching anybody else.
I forget, I'm just gonna go ahead and take off that extra baking, yeah. With a bigger, fluffier brush, we're just gonna go ahead with our bronzer and just kind of, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Now we're just missing the really important key to having amazing glowy skin. Can you guess it? Too late. It's highlighter. Boom. I'm gonna be using the Becca highlighter in the shade Pearl. And then I'll be using the Lumi Glow Drops. They're so nice. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm gonna go ahead with the liquid highlighter and just put 3 dots on each side and blend it with my fingers, and then set it with the powder highlighter by Becca. Okay, so now that I have my glow finished and that I've set my eyebrow glow and everything, I'm gonna now go ahead and set my eyebrows with this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and it's in the color Black. But honestly, like the gel and everything just like looks like an espresso or like a chocolate brown. Lips are next, and mascara, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead with no liner. It's really scary, I know. This is the Maybelline, I think it's Master Ink or Super Stay Matte Ink. This stuff's awesome. Like, it stays all day. So I don't know if it'll come off tonight. If you want it off, just use like oil-based remover. I use the Marcel, this stuff, and it's bomb.com. This is the
Gentle makeup remover for sensitive eyes.
but I use it for like everything because it comes off, which is awesome. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with my mascara that I've used in my last tutorial that I did, and it's the Rimmel Super Curly 24-Hour Mascara Volume and Curl Mascara. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my bottom lashes. Alright guys, that's it. I'm wrapping it up. Thanks for joining me. Have a fantastic day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share my video to share the love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Shit.